back in the day, behind this we've got single pane windows. So my dad and I put plexiglass. Upstairs there's some parrots because our house we used to have 3 military macaws. That'd be these guys. But see how like everything's faded. Not really the blue. The blue's beautiful. But these were like, well, military macaws are all like bright greens and stuff. The hyacinths are pretty nice still, but everything else is faded. All the green ivy and stuff, it's just faded. It doesn't look pretty anymore. So I'm gonna see what I can do. I was trying out different paints, looking for adhesion and stuff, and looks like the red one, I can even layer it. So I got my alcohol inks, and I got some of the crappy paintbrushes, and here I go. This is so satisfying. Okay, so I got a couple different grains and stuff. This one. It does leak because this is really old. This is like 40 years old or something. So this liquid, again, this is just on plexiglass. It's bendy. It's what my dad decided to do to insulate, keep the heat in or out. Did a big picture on some white paper, doodled. We drew the whole things, well, all of the different windows on paper, and then laid out the correct fit of the plexiglass for the window on top of the paper that we were drawing. We did the liquid lead on it, and then we started painting our ink. Now I don't know what paints we used back then because I was like 10, but these are just alcohol inks that I'm using, and I cannot express to you how vibrant it is. Like it's so satisfying just to cover this, get it back to a nice, bright, vibrant window. Look, oh, that's already so much prettier. I'm so happy. Okay. It is just so satisfying. Holy camole. This one. I gotta show you before it gets too dark outside and the light doesn't go through. It's looking so much better. It's so much fresher. But I'm so happy. It turned out so much better. Look at how much more vibrant it is. You could see the little frog. And you could see my little duck. Oh, it makes me so happy. And so, again, this is plexiglass, just on a sheet cut to the size of the window, right? And then we just nailed it in with a little trim. And I'm going over old, like 30-year-old paint, so that's a little bit unique. But I'm using alcohol inks. And they've been working wonderfully. They dry fast, so I have to, keep working at it, but it's making me really happy. Okay, so it's pretty dark out. Try to get the flash off. There we go. Some blue jays, dragonfly, cattails. Got the duck, got the frog.